Welcome to another Wise Math and Science video. There are only red counters, white counters, blue counters and green counters in a bag. Chris is going to take at random a counter from the bag. The table shows the probability that he will take a red counter and the probability that he will take a white counter. There are twice as many blue counters as there are green counters in the bag. So with that in mind, I'm just going to write 2x over here because there's twice as many as this. So work out the probability that Chris will take a blue counter. All probabilities add up to 1. So therefore, let's work out what's left over. So let's do 1 minus the sum of 0.3 plus 0.1, which works out to be 1 minus 0.4, which is equal to 0.6. So therefore, I know that 2x, let's write it down, 2x plus x is equal to 0.6. So 3x is equal to 0.6, and I know that 1x is equal to 0.6 divided by 3, and x works out to be 0.2. Now the question is actually asking for what is the probability, not for green, which we've decided is going to be 0.2, but we need to double that number. So therefore probability of blue is going to work out to be 0.4. So if I write that down, probability of blue is equal to 0.4. Okay, furthermore, the question goes on to say there are 45 red counters in the bag, so we've got 0.3 as your probability, and there's 45. That's like 30%. Let's work at 10%. Divided by 3, you get 0.1, and divide this by 3 and you'll end up with 15. So what we do, we're dividing by 3 over here, divide by 3, and then over here what I'm going to look to do is times it by 10, because all probabilities should multiply to give you 1. So if I do that, we'll end up getting 1, and so 15 times 10 is 150 counters, and that should be your final answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, as it gives me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.